Are you looking for a converting dropshipping website to kickstart your online business? A store that is designed to maximize conversion, sales, and automation? Stand out from the competition with a branded store that converts visitors into customers. Because these days, you don't need a website. You need a brand. With modern design, psychological triggers, and fast local suppliers for the perfect customer experience. Me and my team know what it takes to build a well-designed website that has the potential to generate long-term passive income. Professionally designed, trustworthy, and easy to operate. And more important, ready to generate sales from day one. Of course, fully responsive and optimized for SEO. Take a look at the description and the reviews of our customers to get a better understanding for what you can expect with our service. Contact me now for a free consultation and let's start your e-commerce business today.